Navigation is a breeze with the new Zebra Solutions Pathway portal. Now you can find hardware, services, supplies, and other Zebra products with the ease of familiar online shopping experience. From the home page, you may follow various navigation paths. Use the Predictive Search Bar to quickly find the product you need. Browse through the catalogue using Product Category menu. Click on one of the quick icons to quick add products to your list. Look at your current list and browse your saved lists. With real-time predictive search, simply enter partial keywords, product names, or part numbers in the Predictive Search Bar to display a range of suggested products. You can also browse the catalogue by selecting a product category on the front screen and drilling down using the drop-down list. While on the home page, you'll be able to explore most recent product announcements, highlights, and other exciting news from Zebra. Click through the image carousel to find out more. While on the home page, you will also be able to easily access the Supplies Selector tool. This tool has been built to help you to identify best printing supplies products to suit your hardware device and your particular business needs. And finally, select the Zebra icon to return to the Solutions Pathway homepage.